Hello! Thank you for joining day 54 of 100 Days of 10-Minute Crochet. If you don't know what we are doing in this video, please read the information in the description below. There you can also find the link to the written pattern of the amigurumi we are making. Today we continue with round 14 of the tail. And it is a single crochet round. And continue to single crochet for round 15. Round 16 is also single crochet around. And continue to do so for round 17. Round 18 is also single crochet around. And continue to crochet around for round 19. And round 20 is also single crochet around. Okay, so now we've got all our parts ready. So we've got the head, the body, 2 arms, 2 legs, the shell, and the tail we have just finished. Now we will continue with the assembly. And first of all, we start with the body. So we are going to take a little stuffing to fill the arms with. I think this is enough. You need just enough to fill the end with. And here you don't want stuffing because we are going to fold the arm. So make sure you don't overstuff the arms. Through the second stitch from the back to the front, pulling through the thread, then going from the back to the front only through the back loop from the last stitch we did, pull through the yarn again. So if it's looser, now you can see it more easy. You can pull it and then it becomes like a fake stitch. And now you can see this is more of a smooth line compared to this. So let's do the same here. So through the second stitch, pull through, then into the last stitch and pull through again. There we have our fake stitch. And now get your needle. We will fold the arms like this. So make sure your yarn end is on one of both ends of the fold. We will go through one of the top stitches of the last row of the body that you crocheted, so the stitches that you can see lying on top here. And then go through the fold of the arm. Then go through the next stitch. And again through both sides of the arm, so you get a fold. And you can divide your stitches through the arms along 3 of these stitches on the body. So make sure you're not going wider than 3 of these stitches. So go twice through one stitch and twice through another stitch on the body, and then you can go once through the third. First, and then twice through the second and twice through the third. I'm going to do one more just to secure the end more, and then go from one end through the arm to the other end to secure the yarn end. And I will show you where to place the second arm in the next video, because our 10 minutes are up for today. So if you liked this video, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for more cute crochet. See you tomorrow. Bye bye!